Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how to record the microphone input and the system output as an input here at the same time on Bandicam when you're using a Rode microphone with additional software or some similar microphone. I've always been struggling with that, so I wanted to make this video if somebody is in the same situation. Of course, we have the Rode software here which you can use. You can use either the Rode Connect or the Rode Unify. Both are working, at least for my Rode NT Mini USB which I have here. And so usually I activate the Mini here, and I also try to activate the system output as an input here. And then you could choose here, for example, as a microphone, you could choose the output of the Rode Connect or the Unify then as a microphone input. That's how it's supposed to work, but in a lot of cases I'm really struggling to add here the system output as an input. Usually it's just blocked, it just doesn't show anything, and I don't know why. So I'm using this usually in another way without the Rode Connect. What's very important here is before you go to the settings of Bandicam that you close everything which is microphone related, let's say the Rode Connect or Rode Unify or even Crisp if you are using this for noise reduction. Close everything, then open Bandicam, go to the settings like here, and so what I'm using here is the default output device, which is usually working. If that's not working, then I'm using the output for the monitor, but of course that only works when I'm not using the headphones. So this is the much better option. This is supposed to include pretty much everything which is coming from the system, and then of course on top of that I'm using the microphone, but not the output from the Rode Connect, but directly the microphone itself. You can still activate everything here, like the compressor, big bottom, and everything that still has an influence when you're using it. Even when it's not showing up here, it still has an impact because it's working in the DSP processor of the microphone itself, even when you're just choosing desktop microphone here. And so I'm going to play something that you can see that it's working. So I stop talking and start playing this video of features. And so I hope you have been able to hear that. You can also monitor that here. Here that's the microphone input, and here that's the system input. I play this again so you can watch these two bars. Some which I... Okay, that was not the best example, but at least you have been able to see that it's really working. So you have both options, but for me the more reliable option was to not use the Rode software, at least not at the beginning. When everything is good, when everything is stable and it's working here, then you can still open the Rode Connect software and apply the changes, and that's usually how this works for me. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.